Hi everybody, my name is Marla Meridith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me here in my kitchen in Telluride, Colorado. Today we are doing some baking. We are making a strawberry baklava. If you are new here, welcome back. If it's your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap that little bell in the corner so you don't miss any videos. My question for you is, have you ever had baklava? This is my absolute favorite dessert when we're out at Greek restaurants, and I wanted to recreate it at home, but I wanted to mix things up a little bit. I wanted to make it fruity. Typically, baklava, which is from the Middle East, is layers of very thin pastry dough called phyllo dough. You use melted butter, you paint between each sheet, you end up with this gorgeous, elegant, crispy pastry. Typically, baklava is layers of this phyllo dough with pistachios or walnuts, topped with a honey glaze. Today, I'm mixing things up. I'm gonna go ahead and make a strawberry sauce, and we're gonna alternate the phyllo dough with the strawberry sauce, slivered almonds, and we're gonna top it all with a maple syrup glaze. Okay, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.